Posibleng maging opisyal na hepe na ng pambansang pulisya ang ngayon Acting PNP Chief Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. matapos ibigay ng Department of the Interior and Local Government o DILG ang rekomendasyon nito kay Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Yan ang ulat ni Luisa Erispe.
Isinumiti na kay Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang rekomendasyon para maging opisyal ng hepe ng Philippine National Police si Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates. Sinabi ito ni Senator J.V. Ejercito bilang sponsor ng budget ng DILG sa deliberations sa plenaryo.
According to the Secretary, they have forwarded already to the Office of the President yung pong for the permanent appointment of our current Chief PNP.
Tinanong kasi ni Senate President Pro Tempore Panfilo Lacson bakit hanggang ngayon acting Chief PNP pa rin si Nartates kahit noong Agosto pa siya nailagay sa posisyon.
Why is General Nartates still acting Chief PNP? Don't get me wrong, I have not spoken to General Nartates, no. Not to mention that he used to be my aide-camp when I was Chief PNP. Hindi kami nag-usap dito. I'm just asking out of curiosity. I'm not questioning your discretion or your authority.
Giit pa ni Lacson, baka kasi kinokonsidera pang makabalik sa pwesto si dating Chief PNP General Nicolas Torre III na may ranggong 4-star general.
Is there still a plan to reconsider General Nick Torre to be recalled as Chief PNP? That's why General Nartates is still acting?
Matatandaan na si Nartates ang ginawang acting Chief PNP nang umalis sa pwesto si Torre, bagamat 3-star lang ang general. Inilaban naman ni Lacson na hindi rin issue ang rango para maging Chief PNP. Nagbalik tanaw pa siya na noong umupo siya ng hepe ng pulisya, hindi rin naman niya agad nakuha ang 4-star general na karaniwang rango ng mga hepe ng PNP.
Yung rank kasi, iba sa position. He can be full-time Chief PNP if the NAPOLCOM feels that he is fully qualified with three stars on his shoulders. No, it doesn't matter. I was Chief PNP with 2 stars at first, no, and then 3 stars. Eventually, when General Alino retired, no, compulsory retirement or I think early retirement. That's when I got my 4 stars. That's my point.
Luisa Erispe para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.